In the past 30 days, this channel has earned around $957 to $15,000, and all they have done is post historical facts on YouTube Shorts. And today, I am going to show you how you can easily do the same in just 4 steps. And if you stay with me through the end of the video, I will share with you the secret that will help you succeed. The first step is to generate your video script. And there are 2 ways of doing that. The first one is to do your own research about the history topic you want to cover, and the next way is to use ChatGPT. Let's get into it. But first you need to know history is a broad topic, so you need a specific topic on history. It can be about historical figures, a specific era, or ancient history. The possibilities are endless. Now head on over to ChatGPT. After you choose your specific topic, write this prompt you see on the screen. I chose historical figures for my topic. As you can see, it gave me different historical figures to choose from, and I am going to choose Leonardo da Vinci for my video topic. Next, I ask ChatGPT to write me a script on this topic, and to do that, I use this prompt. This prompt will give me the full script plus what type of visuals I should use on my videos. And as you can see, it gave me the full script and what type of visuals to use for my videos. Next step is to generate the audio for our YouTube Shorts. To generate our audio, we are going to use 11 Labs. Head on to 11 Labs through the link provided in my description. Upon clicking, you'll encounter 2 options on your screen. If you have an existing account, hit the Sign In button. If it's your first time, select the Get Started Free button. Once logged in, click the Speech Synthesis button. Copy each text like this and copy them to 11 Labs, and choose an extra realistic voice from the drop-down menu. Rachel is the default AI voice, but you can opt for another by clicking on the drop-down icon. Voices vary in gender, accent, and style. You can experiment by listening to different voice samples until you find the one that suits you. In my example, I'll use Liam. Click the name, then click on Generate. Let's hear the audio it generated.
Meet the Renaissance genius, Leonardo da Vinci. Born in 1452 in Vinci, Italy, Leonardo wasn't just a painter. He was an inventor, scientist, and visionary ahead of his time.
If you like what you heard, you can download it by pressing the download icon in the bottom right corner. Now, on to step 3. In this step, we are going to find the visuals for our videos. To gather our visuals, we can use free stock image sites like Pixels or Unsplash. But since my topic is very specific, I am going to use Google. Just make sure to find images related to your exact topic of your video. And another bonus tip is use stock videos related to your topic. Since our video is less than 1 minute, you just need a couple of images. After gathering up your images, keep them in the same folder as your audio files. Now let's move on to step 4, editing our video. Again, there are 2 ways you can do this part. You can use Canva or CapCut. For this example, I am going to use CapCut. It's easy to use and it can help us generate the text overlay for our videos for free. Let's get into it. If you don't have CapCut on your PC, I put the link in the descriptions for you. It has both phone and desktop app, so you can follow along easily. Open the CapCut app and select New Project. Next, import all your images and audio to CapCut. After that, drag your audio into the editing bar. After you add the audio file, you can make simple cuts on silent parts. To cut the audio, you just click on the audio part you want to cut and press Ctrl B. After you cut, you can drag it to where you want and connect the audio together. Just repeat this for all the empty spaces. Now go to the button that says Ratio below the viewing screen and turn the aspect ratio into 16:9. Next, let's add Text Overlay. To do this, go to the above menu and click on Text, then Auto Caption and click on Create. And it will automatically create your auto caption. Now let's edit the text and make it a little nicer and easy to read. First, let's separate the text into 1 row per word so that it's easy to read. Go to the Caption tab on top right corner and separate each sentence manually by clicking on Enter after each word. Now let's change the text color and size. Again, click on the text menu next to Captions and change the font to any font you like. Next, adjust the size and change the color to something bright, like yellow or red. Make the text centered, and play around with the setting and add strokes and shadows to make it simple and easy to read. And now, before adding our images, you need to make sure your audio and text are in sync. Let's see.
Meet the Renaissance genius, Leonardo da Vinci. Born in 1452 in Vinci, Italy, Leonardo wasn't just a painter. He was an inventor, scientist, and visionary ahead of his time. The Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile and the Last Supper's meticulous details showcases his artistic brilliance. Leonardo's passion for anatomy led to detailed studies, advancing our understanding of the human body. He conceptualized flying machines, tanks, and even a primitive scuba suit. Leonardo da Vinci was the original Renaissance man, artist, inventor, and eternal inspiration.
Perfect. Mine is in sync with my audio. Now let's put our images and do a little editing. Drag your time cursor to the beginning. Add your first image. And don't add the images randomly. Add them according to the story or the info you're giving. Watch me do this for my video.
Meet the Renaissance genius, Leonardo da Vinci.
While listening to the video, I put the images related to the info that the video provided. After you add your first image, just adjust it by dragging to where you want it and do this for all the images. And the last part, let's add some effects, so it's not just a still image. First, click on the first image and click on the animation tab. There are 3 animation types: in, out, and combo. You can experiment with this, but for our purpose, we use combo. Click on the animation. You can preview each one. I will choose zoom animation, and I will do the same for all my images. After this, we are done with our editing. There is more editing you can do to this video, but since this is our first video, it will do just fine. Now, lastly, let's add some background music to our video. Let me give you a great website where you can download free audio for your videos with no copyright or no attribution required. I will have the link in the description. Once you go to the site, just download the audio you like. Next, go to CapCut and import your audio. After this, make sure your editing cursor is on the beginning and add your audio. Next, decrease your audio's volume down to -20. Now before exporting, watch the video one last time and make sure everything is great. To export, click on Export in the top right corner and give the video a name. I will call mine Leonardo da Vinci. Next, choose the folder you want to save your video and leave the rest on default and click on Export. Now let's see the video that we created.
Meet the Renaissance genius, Leonardo da Vinci. Born in 1452 in Vinci, Italy, Leonardo wasn't just a painter. He was an inventor, scientist, and visionary ahead of his time. The Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile and the Last Supper's meticulous details showcases his artistic brilliance. Leonardo's passion for anatomy led to detailed studies, advancing our understanding of the human body. He conceptualized flying machines, tanks, and even a primitive scuba suit. Leonardo da Vinci was the original Renaissance man, artist, inventor, and eternal inspiration.
That's it, you have your first YouTube Shorts video. So guys, we have done it. We have created this short video in just 4 simple steps. Now let me tell you the secret I promised. I have created a channel with this exact method I showed you, and I have gained over 500 subscribers, so believe me, it works. Try it and tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, give your support by liking the video and subscribe for more related content.